Okay, so we'll be doing these output questions today. First question is int cal, int a, int b. If b equals to 1, return a. This is the base case. Else return a plus cal a b minus 1. So what question is, what will be the output when cal 3, 5 is executed? What will be the output when cal 3 and 5 will be executed? So let's see. Question was int cal int a comma int b. If cal 3 and 5 is executed, that means 3 is being passed in the value of a in the variable a and 5 is being passed in the variable b. Now we are checking if b double equals to 1. Is b equals to 1? No, because b is having the value 5. So return a. This is not executed. Else, what is happening? Return a plus cal a comma b minus 1. This is the question. When the value of a is 5, 3 and b equals to 5. First time the cal function is called with the value 3 and 5. Base case is what? 5 double equal to 1. False. This is false. Then what is happening? I am writing the working here. Then it goes to the else part. Return a means 3 plus the cal function is called again with the value 3 and b minus 1, that is 4. Isn't it? So this is the working 3 comma 4. Now the same function will be called with the value 3 and 4. Again it is going to check whether 4 is equal to 1. It is again false. So the base case is not true. We go to the else part. In the else part, the processing statement. This is the processing statement and this is the recursive call. Processing statement and recursive call are written together in which type of recursion?
Tail recursion.
Renuma, tell me. Yes, processing statement and this are written together in the tail recursion. So what will we do? We'll call the cal function with the value 3 comma 4. Base case is checked if 4 double equals to 1. This is false. Then we go to the else part. So it will return 3 was already there. Now there will be another 3 plus cal 3 comma 3. क्योंकि b minus 1 यहाँ से रिटर्न कर रहे हैं, तो अब a की वैल्यू 3 हो गई, b की वैल्यू ये हो गई. अब कैलकुलेशन कॉल होगा with the values 3 comma 3. Can you see what I am writing? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 3 comma 3. Now the base case is if 3 double equals to 1. Again it is false, so go to the else part. See, for such type of questions, output question, you have to show the working. This is how you have to show the working. जितनी बार वो function call होगा, आपको पूरा दिखाना पड़ेगा. So return, it will be return. Then 3 plus 3 was already there. अब क्या होगा? 3 plus cal 3 comma 2. So now the function will be called with the value 3 comma 2. So base case is what? If b double equals to 1, b is what? 2 double equals to 1. It is again false. So we go to the else part and return. There were 3 already. 3 बार 3 पहले से थे. And then again 3 plus cal 3 comma 1. Then cal function is called with the value 3 comma 1. Now the base case is if 1 double equal to 1. Now it is true. Since it is true, it will return the value of a. A की value a की value क्या? a की value क्या है? 3. a तो कभी change ही नहीं हुआ है. So it is going to return 3. Where it will return 3? It will return 3 here in the last calling statement. Okay, it will return 3 in the last calling statement. So इसमें क्या value हो जाएगी? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 5 times 3, that is That is how much? Batao, 5 times 3, that is 15. So the output will be 15. This function, this cal function is finally going to return the value 15. Have you understood how it is returning? हर बार जिस बार रिकर्सिव केस कॉल होता है उतनी बार उसमें 3 ऐड होता रहता है. देखिए ऐसे ऐसे. जब बेस केस ट्रू होता है, बेस केस इज व्हेन द बेस केस इज ट्रू, इट इज रिटर्निंग, इट इज रिटर्निंग द वैल्यू ऑफ a. Where it will return? Please mute your microphones, children. Please mute your microphones. So when the base case is true, it is going to return a. The value of a is 3. Where it will return? Wherever the function is being called. So the function is being called over here. So it will return 3 here. So there are 5 3s in the end. So the value which the function will return will be 15. This is how the output questions are to be solved. Have you understood this question? So I'll move to the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood this question, children? Okay. Write the next one. Int show int num. If num is this, then write the next. Int show int num. If num is less than equal to 0, return 1. Else return into show num minus 1. What will be the output when 8 in?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written the question? So see this. I'm doing the working here. Show 8 has been is to be executed. So we are passing 8 here. So we are checking the base case. If 8 less than equal to 0, this is false. So we go to the else part. Else part में क्या है? Return num into show is called with the value num minus 1, that is 7. Now this function is called with the value 7. ये function बंद हुआ. अब क्या हुआ? Show 7 call हुआ. This is a step. This is the second step. Show 7 होगा, फिर से base call, तो क्या होगा? 8 into 7 into show 6 call होगा. क्या हो रहा है इसमें बताइए? जो वैल्यू 8 हमने पास की थी इन द बिगनिंग, उसका फैक्टोरियल कैलकुलेट हो रहा है. देखिए 8 into 7, then into 6, into 5, into 4, into 3, into 2, into 1. 1 तक होगा मल्टीप्लाई. फिर जब 0 हो जाएगा तो 0 लेस देन इक्वल टू 0, ये ट्रू हो जाएगा, तो यहां से 1 रिटर्न हो जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है क्या कर रहा है ये फंक्शन? क्या कर रहा है? फैक्टोरियल ऑफ नम इसको कैलकुलेट नहीं कर रहा है. So what will be the final output? It will be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. जब 0 होगा तो 1 रिटर्न करेगा. तो ये पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करो, अब बताओ क्या आंसर आ रहा है. 8 का फैक्टोरियल क्या होता है? Calculate it fast and tell me, Komal. Komal, are you there? Calculate it fast. 8 7s are 56. 56 into 30 into 4 into 4
Ma'am,
into 6.
Ma'am,
Yes, what is it?
Ma'am, 40,320.
390. So this is what the function is.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, T.
Whatever may be the answer, calculate 320. Okay. Whatever may be the answer and find out. Okay. So this is how you have to show the working of every step. Whenever a question of recursion comes in output, tell the output following code and you have to show the working. All is very important. Is it clear? Have you understood this? How are we supposed to do this? Should I move to the next question? Okay, good. Copy the next question. Int function, int A, int B, int function, int A, int B, then brace open. If B double equals to 0, this is the base case, to return 0. It is on the next page. Return 0. If B double equals to 1, return A. और यहां पर else नहीं लिखा है, रिटर्न A के बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली else में ही जाएगा. Return A plus func A comma B minus 1. This is the recursive case. What will be the output when func 5 and 8 is executed? So tell me, how are we going to move in this program, in this function? Tell me. 5 and 8. I'm doing it with a pencil here itself. जैसे मैंने फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पार्ट्स में आपको वर्किंग दिखाई है स्टेप बाय स्टेप, डू द वर्किंग क्वेश्चन स्टेप. आई एम डूइंग इट इन शॉर्ट. So this base case is false, we come over here. Is A equals to false, come over to the next statement. Return A. A means 5 plus function is being called with the value 8, 5 and 7. So the first step, the function will be called with the value 5 and 7 and 5 will be added to this. Okay. Now the function is called with the value 5 and 7. So 0, false is equals to 1. So again we come over here. A लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है A plus function A comma, that means 5 पहले से था. समझ में आ गया क्या हो रहा है? जितनी बार वो फंक्शन कॉल हो रहा है उतनी बार 5 ऐड होता जा रहा है. अगली बार तीसरी बार 5 ऐड होगा and function call होगा with the value 5. Starting में it was 8, isn't it? Now after this 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus function is being called with the value 5 comma 3. 5 times यहाँ हो चुका, फिर 6 times होगा 5 comma 2. 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 5 comma 2. Then 7 times 4, 5, 6, 7 with the value 5 comma 1. अब जब इसके बाद चेक करेंगे हम 5 comma 1 के लिए, if b equals to 1 then return A. Return A मतलब return 5. Return 5 that means 8 times हो गया ये 5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus func 5 comma 0. अब जब 0 हो गया तो यहां से रिटर्न कर दो 0. जब 0 हो गया तो यहां पर आ जाएगा 0 वैल्यू. When b equals to 0, the value returned is 0. See here, it is written there in the base case. So that means 8 times 5 will be added. 8 times 5 will be added. So the answer to this will be, output will be 8 times 5 is 40. Answer will be 40. Is this clear? Is this point clear कि कैसे चल रहा है ये? It is adding 5, the number 5 8 times. So this is what the function is doing. Have you understood how is it doing this? Do you want me to do it practically with you? Should I do one question practically?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Just wait then. I'll just open my laptop and do it. Wait. Yes, you want to say something? You can say. Can you see my screen now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So which one should I do practically with you? This one, int func, जो अभी किया है हमने.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So I'll take a class. Let me say A. Everything is to be written in the class. Then int func, int A, int B, int A, comma, int B. Then if B double equals to 0, this is the base case. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good. Then else, no else is written here. It is written if B double equals to 1. There are two base cases here. Return A. Otherwise, it is return A plus the function is called with the value A comma B minus 1. Now we have to write main also here. Public static void main string args. Then I have to declare an object of the class A. Then I have to call the function ob.func with the value 5, 8. It is already in the question, so I am calling its value. Is it okay? Now, since it is returning a variable of integer type, so I am taking here at int r equals to this. And here I am going to print system.out.println r. Is the program clear? Is the program clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm saving it with the name as a.java. A.java. And I'll show you the output now. New share and command prompt. You can see the command prompt now.
Yes, ma'am.
Java C a.java. Java A. See, the answer is 40. Can you see, all of you? Can you all see, children? The answer is 40. That means the program
Yes,
is correct.
ma'am.
What it is doing? It is adding A, 8 number of times. After the return statement, no statement is executed. Then how is it executed? See, what is done? What is it done? यहाँ देखो फिर से program देखो. किसने पूछा है question? Lena. After the return statement, no statement is executed. See here now, when no statement is executed, it means अगर ये false होगा, अगर ये वाला statement false होगा, तभी तो जाएगा वो next statement में. So it is simple as that कि अगर ये नहीं true होता है, तभी जाएगा next में. तो automatically वो else की तरह ही behave करेगा. एक फंक्शन में सिर्फ एक ही रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट एक बार में एग्जीक्यूट होता है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस नाइसली. इसमें दिए 3 रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट है, लेकिन एक बार में सिर्फ एक ही रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट हो सकता है. जब ये ट्रू होगा तब सिर्फ ये वाला रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होगा, बाकी नहीं होगा. ओके जब ये ट्रू होगा तो सिर्फ ये वाला रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होगा, और जब दोनों नहीं होंगे तब ये वाला रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट होगा. फाइन. सो दिस इज द एल्स पार्ट. आप चाहें तो यहाँ पर चेंज कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर एल्स लिख दीजिए, यहाँ पर भी एल्स लिख दीजिए, एल्स इफ कर दीजिए. इट इज सेम. क्वेश्चन में दिया था like this, so I have written it like this. Otherwise this will also give the correct answer. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Unzela, please stop scribbling on my screen. So should I do the next one also with you? Int func int n. Class.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
tell me. Yes.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask, ma'am, when the return statement of b double equal to 1 will be true, then why is it not printing the value of return a?
It is returning the value of a to the calling statement. See, this is the program. This is the program. When b equals to 1, what is it doing? It is returning this value to this statement. Here, value यहाँ पर return हो रही है. Main में return नहीं हो रही है. Main में तो सिर्फ ये वाली value return होगी. Final value जो जिसमें सब में addition कर दिया है हमने 5 + 5 + 5 + 5. ये वाली value return होगी यहाँ पर. ठीक है? That means एक बार और 5 ऐड हो जाएगा इसमें. यहाँ पर प्रोसेसिंग स्टेटमेंट में एक बार और 5 ऐड हो जाएगा. This is how it is done.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Thank you.
I'll save this and I'll open a new one. The last function which is there in the book on page number 507, I am doing that for you now. I'm keeping the class name as B. Then it is int func int n. If n double equals to 1, this is the base case, return 0. Now here it is else. Plus n by 2. Now public static void main. B object equals to new B. Then it will be ob dot func. And what are we supposed to pass? What will be the output of func when the value of n varies from 8 to 15? That means we will be taking the value of n from 8 to 15. So I am taking an integer variable here, I, where I am using in a loop. I is less than equal to 15. Less than equal to 15 I plus plus. How to execute it, isn't it? So I am taking here int x equals to like this. And then system dot out dot println x will be printed in separate lines. Have you read the question? What will be the output of func when the value of n varies from 8 to 15, both inclusive? So when I equals to 8, this function will be called तक जो भी वैल्यूज होंगी एक एक करके इसमें पास होंगी I, and वो value x में store होगी and that will be printed. Have you understood the program? Have you understood the program? What it is doing? See, when the value of function the value upon 2, that is has gone. The connection is going again and again. Now it is coming. Coming? No, it is not coming.
No, ma'am.
Now it is showing. Is it showing now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I am taking this class from the school. Sometimes it happens that board is so much on the router that the connection breaks in between. Please don't mind. See what is happening. When 8, this is 8. 8 is being passed Here it is false, so it comes over here. What is happening here? यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? रिटर्न में क्या आएगा? 1 प्लस फंक्शन इज बीइंग कॉल्ड विद द वैल्यू 4. n/2 मतलब 4. तो जब 8 पास हो रहा है n में, तो पहला रिकर्सिव, फिर दोबारा से n की वैल्यू हो गई 4, यहाँ पर हो गई 4. 4 equals to 1, it is false. Again 1 will be added. पहले से 1 था. Again 1 will be added with the value, and function will be called with the value 2 now. n/2 means 4/2, that is 2. Second time the recursive case is being called. Now ऊपर जाएंगे, n की वैल्यू हो गई 2. Is n equals to 1? False. So रिटर्न स्टेटमेंट फॉलो होगा else वाला. 1 plus and function will be called with the value. क्या वैल्यू होगी? 2/2, that is 1. समझ में आया? और यहाँ पर अब सिर्फ ये बेस केस ट्रू हो गया है, तो here it is going on 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. जब I की वैल्यू 8 है, तो function is returning 3. So 3 will be printed here. When I equals to 9, सब n की वैल्यू 9 जा रही है. When I equals to 8, 3 is going to be printed. When I equals to 9, n की वैल्यू 9 जाएगी, फिर से ऐसे ही चलेगा स्टेप बाय स्टेप, एंड एक वैल्यू रिटर्न होगी और वो प्रिंट हो जाएगी. When I equals to 10, again n will become 10, and इस तरीके से ही चलेगा, एंड एक वैल्यू रिटर्न हो जाएगी, वो प्रिंट हो जाएगी. समझ में आ रहा है? प्रोग्राम कर रहा है. So this is how you have to write the working. This is step 1. Step 1 में आप लिखेंगे, यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे बताइए? स्टेप 1 में आप लिखेंगे when I equals to 8. When I equals to 8, function is being called with the value 8, और फिर उसके बाद नीचे वाले. Can you see my screen? When I equals to 8, function will be called with the value 8 and all these steps. So इसमें return क्या हो रहा है? 3. तो 3 will be printed. Next step में लिखेंगे when I equals to 9, फिर उसके सारे steps लिखेंगे, फिर जो last में print होगा वो लिखेंगे. When I equals to this, and finally you will write out. So save this program and quickly show you the output. It is b.java. New shell, command prompt, java c b.java. Error. Okay, brace is missing. So I it quickly. Where is the function? This is okay. For loop का brace come. Yeah. Control S. See, this is output. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times it is being printed. Will you be able to write the working now? Write the output. This will be the output. But कैसे आएगा मैंने आपको बता दिया है कि इस तरीके से आपको वर्किंग शो करनी है. Written. Yes.
Ma'am, please show the second.
Second what? Write in the chat box. Second, okay. You want to see the second? Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
when I 9, the function will be called with the value 9. Okay, then if double equals to 1, this is for the base 1 means 9/2 20 value होती है, जो quotient value वही होती है. Okay, now the function is called with the value 4. The function is called with the value 4. Again check if 4 equals to 1, which is false. Then it will return 0. This is false. 1 plus function is being called with the value 9/2. 9/2 का क्या मतलब होता है? 9/2 का मतलब होता है 4. Function is being called with the value 4. फिर से चेक कर रहा है. Base case 4 double equals to 1, which is false. So else में जाएगा. It will return 1 plus function with the value 4/2, that is 2. फिर से 2 से कॉल कर रहा है. Again, function is being called with the value 2. If 2 double equals to 1, this is again false. Can you see my paper now clearly?
Yes.
So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus function is being called with the value 1. अब 1 हो गई, तो function is the value 1. तो if statement जो है अब वो हो गया true. अब यहां से क्या रिटर्न करता है? 0. जब यहां से रिटर्न 0 करता है तो ये 0 कहां जाता है? वो जाता है इस स्टेटमेंट में जहां पर लास्ट टाइम कॉल हुआ था. ठीक है, तो वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 which is equal to 3. Function is being passed value 9, it is going to return 3. Similarly the case of 10. 10 में भी ऐसे ही होगा, 3 ही आएगा आंसर. हर बार आंसर 3 आएगा. Clear now? This is how you have to write. You can take a screenshot of this page. Done? So I'll stop the meeting here. Time is getting over. We have done all type of questions in recursion now, but I want to do a few more questions with you. So I'll do them tomorrow during the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
During the
Thank you, ma'am.